Okay, talaila ako si Jesse.
Hi, hello.
Oh.
I'm just the man of us to be. I'm just
Oh.
we are the promise. And forevermore. Forevermore.
Kapit ko na ha. Matulab ko iyo.
Video na.
Kurang isa ko daan.
Manlapit
Man na, record na.
Tarawa na kuman.
Oh, lagi.
I will run.
Okay. Tumasilab kayo. Okay.
Daan kag microphone ron. Wireless.
Gaya, lubat na ron.
Dali kay ang cellphone. Gikan ta doon. Mana ka pala ila?
Mana.
Mana? Okay.
I'm just
Okay.
pieces
Okay.
of the man I used to be.
Klaro ka, sikat ka eh.
Too many of bitter tears are inside on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone
Sunat
for
dito.
much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about coming up in a honest struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong.
Kuha sa video.
Okay. Sumpay, okay.
Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Don't be the way to love for and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time.
Iyay, sikat juga nih. Sumpay, ba?
I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no one of this for me. I used to bring sunshine, and all I ever do is bring you down.
Karo nga kay, madato ka nih. Daghang kaon.
How would it be if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? Oh no, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I have to lose. Whoa, yeah, too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Don't be the way to love for and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time.
Iya. Pak.
Wala sa puso ba?